The Art of Secret Glances. Understanding Stealing Glances. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, stealing glances. It's a phrase you might come across in stories, songs, and everyday conversations. Understanding this expression can add depth to your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's get started. Stealing glances refers to the act of quickly looking at someone or something, especially in a way that is secretive or tries to avoid notice. It's like taking a brief look at someone you're interested in without wanting them to know. This phrase beautifully captures the subtlety and secrecy of the action, as if one is taking something precious without permission, in this case, a momentary view. This phrase is often used in contexts involving emotions or attraction. For instance, when someone has a crush on another person, they might steal glances at them, hoping not to be caught looking. It can also be used in situations where someone wants to remain discreet about their interest or curiosity. Example in a sentence: throughout the evening, he found himself stealing glances at her, mesmerized by her smile. In literature and movies, the phrase is popular in romantic literature and films, depicting the tension and excitement of budding romance. Understanding stealing glances also involves appreciating its cultural and emotional nuances. In some cultures, direct eye contact is avoided as a sign of respect, making the act of stealing glances even more significant. Emotionally, this phrase conveys a range of feelings, from nervousness and shyness to admiration and desire, making it a versatile expression in storytelling and everyday language. To get comfortable with stealing glances, try to observe its use in English media. Notice how characters in movies or books use this action to express unspoken emotions. You can also practice using the phrase in sentences or stories of your own, especially to describe moments of subtle observation or hidden affection. We hope this exploration of stealing glances has given you insight into the depth and beauty of English expressions. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions they convey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to steal glances into the vast world of English language and literature. Until next time, happy learning!